Bihar Police Subordinate Service Commission (BPSSC) is a body formed by Bihar Legislative Assembly. Every year, BPSSC conducts exam for recruitment on various government posts of Group C. Today, we are going to talk about BPSSC exam. Hi, I'm Karthik and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the BPSSC exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility for BPSSC exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. Candidate must have passed graduation from any institute recognized by the state government. The age limit to apply for BPSSC exam is between 20 to 37 years. Now discuss the exam pattern for BPSSC exam. Bihar Police Subordinate Service Commission exam is conducted in 4 stages: preliminary exam, main exam, physical efficiency test, and medical test. The prelim exam is written test consisting of 100 questions of 200 marks. The main exam is again conducted in 2 parts. First part of main exam contains 100 questions of 200 marks. Same, the questions will be of multiple choice and contains negative marking for every wrong attempt. For each negative attempt, 0.2 marks will be deducted. The time duration of exam is 2 hours. Questions in prelims exam will be based on general studies, current affairs, general Hindi and mathematical reasoning. To know the entire syllabus, click on the link given in the description. Let's now talk about few tips and tricks that will help you in BPSSC exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Give specific focus on mathematical reasoning and practice questions with time limit. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper regularly to improve on your current affairs. Use PrepGuru app by Youth for Work for the preparation of written tests. It consists a lot of mock tests that will help you in your preparation and knowing your strengths and weaknesses. To download the app, check the link given in the description.